Looking to make money online in 2025? Whether you're trying to make extra cash with your hobby or building your dream career from home, there are more opportunities than ever before. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 most popular ways to make money online this year, and it may surprise you to hear what's actually on the top 5 list. Number 1. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to generate passive income online. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Simple, right? You can share your links through blogs, YouTube videos, TikTok content, Instagram posts, or email newsletters. The trick is to build trust with your audience and recommend products that are genuinely useful. Many successful creators earn thousands per month promoting tools, courses, gadgets, or services they already use. Start small, pick a niche, and focus on providing value before going in for the sale. Consistency is key. Track what converts, refine your messaging, and keep your content helpful and honest. The more value you deliver, the more your audience will buy through your links, creating a sustainable income stream that grows over time. Number 2. Content creation has exploded into one of the most profitable and creative ways to make money online. Whether you're vlogging on YouTube, making bite-sized content on TikTok, or building an audience through a blog, there are so many ways to monetize. Ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate links, paid memberships, merch, it all becomes possible as your audience grows. But it takes time and strategy. You'll need to find your niche, post consistently, and focus on value and engagement. The good news? Once you build that audience, the opportunities can snowball. Think of it like building a media business, with you as the brand. Every piece of content you post has the potential to attract new viewers, generate income, and grow your influence. Even better, you get to choose your style and voice, making content creation not just profitable, but personally fulfilling. Number 3. Freelancing is all about turning your skills into a service that businesses or individuals need. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, video editing, social media management, or software development, there's a demand for it online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal make it easy to create a profile, list your services, and start pitching to clients. You don't need a fancy degree to get started, just some skill, a solid portfolio, and a willingness to learn. And as you build a reputation, you can increase your rates, attract better clients, and even transition into full-time freelancing or start your own agency. Plus, freelancing lets you work from anywhere and set your own hours. You can start part-time while keeping a day job, or dive in full-time once you've built momentum. It's also a great way to test different industries and hone in on the work you enjoy most, while earning good money along the way. Number 4. Selling digital products or courses is an amazing way to turn your expertise into income. Digital products can include templates, ebooks, design assets, stock photos, printables, really anything people can download. If you're more of a teacher, online courses are huge. Platforms like Teachable, Podia, Udemy, and Gumroad help you host, market, and sell your content with ease. The beauty? Once you've created the product, it can sell again and again without you lifting a finger. It's perfect for creators, coaches, educators, or anyone with a teachable skill. Just remember, quality content, good marketing, and audience trust are key. Make your product user-friendly, offer real value, and support your audience through feedback or updates. With the right strategy, one great product can become a long-term passive income machine. Number 5. E-commerce is thriving, and you don't even need inventory to get started. With dropshipping, you can sell products that are fulfilled and shipped by third-party suppliers. Services like Shopify, WooCommerce, Printful, and Printify make it simple to launch a store with minimal overhead. Want to sell physical goods but skip the hassle of packing and shipping? This is your lane. You can also create branded merchandise or niche products and run ads to generate traffic. While it's not exactly passive, it involves testing, customer support, and marketing, the scalability is massive. Many six-figure brands started as small dropshipping stores run from a laptop. The key is identifying a target market, finding winning products, and continuously optimizing your store and customer experience. With enough research and persistence, you can turn a simple store into a powerful online business. There you have it, the top 5 ways to make money online in 2025, all of which are proven, popular, and packed with potential. Whether you're into freelancing, affiliate marketing, or building your own digital empire, the path to financial freedom is out there. You just have to take the first step. Comment below with the one that excites you the most, or if you're already making money online, let us know what's worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next.